AnyDesk is a free-to-use remote desktop accessing application that you can go ahead and easily use to access out computers through internal networks or internet, or even access out computers around the world and access different devices like mobile phones, laptops with different operating system, desktop with different operating system, and so forth. So if you want to go ahead and start using AnyDesk, you can go to anydesk.com and then you get to the home page, and all you need to do is click on download now. So you can see that it's available for various platforms right here, and even you can see that there's Apple TV, Android, iOS, Linux, and FreeBSD, Raspberry Pi, and Chrome OS as well. So if I were to actually go around and click on download right here, then you can see that I have an option to go ahead and download this. Let me just download this installation file right here, just like this, and then what happens is that it gets downloaded right here. The file is not very large. You can see that it's a 7.5 megabytes right here. So if I were to actually go around and open this out now, so as I were to open out that exe file, it will open AnyDesk out. You can see the AnyDesk exe right here, and as I open it, this is what I have. And now it will connect to the AnyDesk network and will show my address around over here as well. So it's connecting, as you can see, and without even installing, you can see that I can see my address right here, just like this. And if I were to actually go ahead and then give it to someone else while the AnyDesk is running, they will be able to access my computer, or I can enter the remote address right here and access it out. But if you want to keep on using AnyDesk, then you can simply go ahead and install it out on your computer as well. So to do that, you can simply click on Install AnyDesk on this device, and then you can go ahead and then have automatic update if you want to as well, and even allow collection of users data to share to the developer if you wish. So here you can see that I'm setting the installation path right here on the default location. You can also install AnyDesk printer so that the remote users can access your printer as well. So let me just click on accept and install, and I'm going to go ahead and click on yes right here, just like this. And once you do that, you simply have AnyDesk installed now. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and install AnyDesk printer as well, just like this. And now you simply have access to AnyDesk, as you can see right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see the welcome screen, and then now you're ready to start using AnyDesk. So you can download and simply open up AnyDesk exe, and without installing, you can use it as well. But for frequent access, you can simply go around over here and then use it out as you please as well. So that is how you can download and install AnyDesk in your computer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.